Hi guys, I just want to show you how to access your textbook. It's going to look a slightly different on my screen because I have a teacher account and you have a student account, so I'll try to talk you through any differences. Sorry that it won't look exactly the same as your screen. So the first step is to go to your isd728.org folder in your bookmarks bar and click on your My ISD 728 portal, which is what I already have up. And you're going to scroll all the way down, and it's called Think Central. It's a blue and yellow icon with a white box. So you're going to click there, and it's going to log you into the textbook resource. And then this is where our screens look a little different. So yours says Things to Do, My Library, and My Scores. And you're going to click on My Library. So when you do, you're going to have 4 blue boxes that look like this. And so you won't have to scroll through all of these choices like I do. And we're going to go to the Student Access Module K, Introduction to Science and Technology. So you would click on whatever textbook we're currently using at the time. And now our screens will start to look the same. So again, Rapid Identity, click on My Library, click on Module K, Intro to Science and Technology, and then you have different options. So today we're going to be doing Unit 3, and we're going to be doing Lesson 6, and you can play the digital lesson from here. Another thing you can do when you are reading the textbook, so over this past weekend the assignment was Lesson 6, so you can click on Lesson 6. And then you can do Student Edition Audio, and then you can play
Engineering and Our World
from there. The other option is to open the Student Edition from here, and it will show you the textbook pages. And you can click the sound icon right here, and it will read the pages to you. But either way you do it, you should be writing your answers directly in your textbook. If for some reason you don't have your textbook, then you can write answers to the questions on a separate sheet of paper. So you can see there's questions in here that you answer directly in the book. So like here's an example of one I would do in the book. Sometimes it's hard to do them on a separate sheet of paper because they'll say things like mark the text or underline this, etc. So like this says, as you read, underline 2 examples of new technology and creating new needs. So that is how you get to the textbook. This is how you read it to you. The other option is to click on the unit and lesson that you are working on and do the student audio edition. And other resources include these digital lessons. In class today, you will be doing a digital lesson and you can access it this way, but it's also listed in your things to do section. So there's kind of 2 ways to find it. If you have questions or are getting stuck on something, feel free to email me. Sometimes taking a screenshot of what you're seeing will also help me understand where you're stuck. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks. Have a nice day.